you guys something in here. I had to fill here on the truck inside tire. The outside valve stem capped, easy accessible. In here you got the valve stem we're going to talk about to get at. Every truck driver should have one of these. Check your air pressure. Don't have one, go get one. Very simple. And then there's right here we have the tool that I created. It's took the valve cap off, the valve stem. Simple transmission line with basically a bracket and a bolt. Okay guys, I'm in the shop right now. I'm just gonna show you with the tires off. It's too freaking cold out there. Just show you this. See between the tires here? Not a lot of room. Can't get your hand in there. This is the valve stem. That's the valve stem you gotta get at. Inside here, it's you can see through the little hole. There's no way I can get my hands in here and get that cap off. That's why we need the tool. So it just grabs onto the cap, take it off, twist off. Just like so. There we go. Very simple. Now you can check the air pressure, fill it up with air. You can see here, see the cap inside? It grabs onto the cap, the transmission line hose. We're just gonna put the cap back on. Get it nice, snug, tight. Pull it out. There you go. That's how you get at the cap on the inside of the double tandem. So every truck driver should have this tool. Please support truck drivers in Ottawa. You guys have a good day.